There lived a partridge who lived in the hollow of a tree trunk near a pond, who was happy feeding on fishes. It was a good, safe place. Once, the pond dried during a summer, so the partridge was left without enough food and began to starve.
I need to leave this place in search of food.
The bird who left the place in search of food did not return for a long time, and slowly the pond and that whole place looked deserted. Few months passed. It rained, and the place returned to its glory with greenery. Then a gypsy rabbit happened to pass by the tree.
Wow, what a nice place. It would be a great place for home. Let's see if I can find a place. Here I can see a place. Well, I'm lucky.
The rabbit started his new life in the hollow. The bird which left the place returned to the pond after a long gap.
What? Is it my house? How so beautiful!
Just then, the bird saw the hare in its house.
Hey, who's that in my house?
Who are you? This is my house.
What? Is it yours?
Yeah?
No, I was the one staying here first.
They both started fighting. A cunning cat from a tree was watching them without their knowledge.
Okay, let's go and ask someone and then come to a decision.
He immediately disguised him as a sage and started meditating. Both walked for a while.
The cat looks like a good guy. We will approach him and let's seek justice from him.
Both went near the cat.
Good day to you.
Hearing the noise, the cat woke up.
Wow! God has sent me a delicious food today.
To see them, and his mouth watered.
Oh God, I'm little deaf and cannot listen properly. Please do come near and tell me your problem.
Listening to this, both hesitated a little.
Do not hesitate. I have forgone everything in my life and living like a sage, and a sage can never harm anyone. I'll do my best to sort out your problem. Please come near me, my children.
Both moved a little nearer.
Please come a little closer to me, my children.
When both came a little closer, the cat pounced on them and killed them both.
Wow! Today I'm going to have a very delicious lunch.